Welcome guys, if you want to download the games, you have to open the App Store. As you can see, here we are. You can select any tab that you want. So if you want to get the games for free, just go right here, select the games, and on the right side you can find these filters, so you can get them for free. For example, let's get this as example. As you can see, we can find like the Gun Riders. I just installed this game, but we can right now try to get the Ultimate Max. So let's click to get. Okay, let's mute this sound. And for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network to download this app. As you can see, that's the install size. And to get it, just click right here. And after a few moments, the download will be away. As you can see, we can keep browsing while app will be installed. And there it is. There's our progress. For sure I'm gonna skip it because I don't want to wait that much time on the video. And if you are looking for any games, let me just show you. You can find them right here by going to the app library, and here you will find them. As you can see, it's currently not available because I just cancelled the install process, but after the download it will be able to play. You will be able to play like right here. So you will get, instead of the install button, you will be able to click to open. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.